Hello, it's just Crafty Chantel, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time with us. Recently, on the October 2022 HSN Craft Day, I purchased the handbag card kit from Crafters Companion. Makes 20 complete cards, so I'd like to step you through it, show you some samples, and then we can do a live demo. So this card kit came with the card samples, or the toppers, and then also the envelopes. So that was a big help, just to make sure that you have the appropriate size envelopes. And so they all are let's see, 7.5 by 5.5 envelopes. So basically your typical 5 by 7 envelopes will work for this. So let's kind of step through the pieces. So this first one is purple, and you get 4 of each, I believe. So here's the purple card kit, and then it has some simple sentiments, and then this is the toppers. So you get 4 of each, like I said. And then you can kind of mix and match the toppers up in the best way you want. Probably put some of these on the inside. There's a lot of different things that you can do with them. You can even like slice them and turn them into just regular cards. So then we have orange with always in my heart. Thank you. Heartfelt thanks. And then these are the toppers. I love these sunglasses and this chain. Then we have like a bluish color. Take care, just a note, thinking of you. And the toppers that go with it. So you can really do the whole decoupage thing and layer these up. Green, which is celebrate, best wishes, have a nice day, life is a beautiful ride. And so then this is something that you probably wouldn't see on a handbag, but if you were just going to do it in a regular card some kind of way, you have this bird cage and the birds. And then last but not least, this pinkish red, which is especially for you, hugs and kisses, great fun, hello sunshine, and the toppers for that. So then it also comes with an instruction sheet asking you to pop out the pieces, set up the card base, add the layers. Okay, so this is how they did the bird cage. That's cute. That is kind of cute. So then they have a couple of samples down here in the bottom, and then on the back a few more samples, and showing everything that's in the card kit. So let's just take a look at a few that I have done already. So this is the pinky color. So what I did here was, if I stand it up, you can kind of see the different layers. So I used this bottom piece as a decoupage layer. Here's another piece. And then here's the handle. You actually attach that. This heartfelt thanks comes from one of the other kits, or one of the other designs, not the one specific for this color. And then I put a gemstone. So I'm using a lot of 3D foam on a roll. And then here we have this orange thank you. This one I used the lock and key. Here is some extra or a decoupage on the bottom, 2 layers here. And I haven't stamped the insides yet. And then here is the green. I used the gemstone and the best wishes on this one. And then let's go ahead and put the last one together on camera. So we'll start by popping out our base, and then we're going to pop out our handle. So definitely going with those 2 pieces. Sending happy thoughts with love just for you, wishing you a wonderful day. I'm not sure on that one yet, but I think I just can't help but to use these perfume pieces. So I think I'm just going to kind of build it up around the bottom. And the gemstones are just adorable. And you gotta love a good bow. get us started. Okay, and there we have it. Change of pace and do the wishing you a wonderful day. So let's just see how this fits in an envelope. Super cute. Still plenty of room to stamp the top. Okay, so then there we go. We have the fourth card from the kit. So this one has the perfume bottle and the purple and the gems. So as the saying goes, the dog ate my homework. I just realized that I was missing the purple one. I felt like I was missing a bag, but then when I walked away from my table, I realized that my dog grabbed it and chewed it up. So let's just go ahead and piece together the purple bag on camera really quickly. So now I think we have a complete set. We did the purple with a little bit of a bag charm hanging down the side, and we'll just wait for our glue to dry. So now we have the complete set with the purple. Too funny, when I walked away, saw that the dog ate my homework. Thank you for joining me. This is just Crafty Chantel.